Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. So let's quickly open. Okay, nothing more. So let's open this. So the first coin you can see here is I will show what this coin is. So the first coin we saw here is $half. You can see here $half. Actually, $half during this year. This is a 90% silver coin, 1964 $half. This is a 90% silver coin, and the next coin we have here is and the next coin we have here is 5 francs of like I think Switzerland. Yes, 5 francs of 1968 Switzerland coin. So in this parcel we got these two coins alone. So this is I think it's a copper nickel coin, and this is a silver coin. So that's all guys for today's video. We got these two coins. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button.